Okay, a very good morning children. Welcome to online session of subject mathematics of 6th class. Hope you all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class, in the previous live class, we have discussed about we have started the LCM, okay, least common multiple. Okay, what is least common multiple we have seen in the class. Okay, so I think so you have done the whatever the homework I have given in the previous live class. Okay, so in the today's class we shall discuss about how to find LCM. Okay, to find the LCM, actually in the previous live class I said one method. Okay, so just for finding with the help of multiplication tables. So from that whatever the results are there, those are the multiples. So from that multiples we should take the common multiples, and in that common multiples we should choose the smallest common multiple. So this smallest common multiple will be called as a least common multiple. That is called a least common multiple, that is LCM. Okay, so for some problems we can do that method very easily. That means for small problems like below 20 for below 20 numbers we can do that method. Okay, because up to 20 tables you are well versed. Okay, so that's why we can do very easily. But if the numbers are there above 20, if the numbers are there above 20, like above 50 or above 100, okay, so if the 2-digit numbers are above 20 and 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, if that type of numbers are given means, so how to find LCM? How to find LCM? So for that purpose only, the mathematicians has invented some two methods. Two methods they have invented. So what are those methods we shall discuss in the today's class. So methods of finding LCM means here there are same like a HCF. There are two methods to find a HCF. Okay, one is prime factorization method and another one is continued division method. I think so you have understood. So in the LCM also there are two methods. So to find the LCM. So the first one is, so the first method is same, prime factorization method. First method is same. Okay, prime factorization method. Okay, so and the second one is, so what is the second method means division method. Okay, division method. So here this division method will be somewhat different, not like a general division, not like this one. Okay, like this it won't be. Okay, so like this it won't be. So this division method will be somewhat different. So whenever we are discussing about division method, we shall discuss about that one. Okay, so first of all we shall see how the prime factorization method will be going on. Okay, okay, so we shall focus on the prime factorization method. Okay, so the first method is prime factorization method. Please note down in your classworks, children. While I am writing only, you should write down. Okay, you can pause the video and you can note down. Okay, so here prime factorization method. So how the prime factorization method will be there? Okay, already while you are finding HCF, you have done the prime factorization method. Same like that only, children. There won't be any changes in that one. Okay, just a little bit of at a finally there will be a little bit change will be. Okay, some extra things will be added. So while we are doing prime factorization method. Okay, so suppose see children, suppose as per your textbook they given the numbers 36 and 60. The numbers 36 and 60. So to find the LCM of, see here, if you see these two numbers are above 20. Is it right, children? So here for every time we can't write the multiples of 36 and 60. Okay, it is at some time taking problem. So that's why to reduce your time, so they invented this prime factorization method. Okay, so here what we have to do. So solution, if you see, means so in your question paper they will ask, find the LCM of 36 and 60 with the help of prime factorization method. With the help of prime factorization method. Okay, so here how you are supposed to do means, see children. So first of all, the first step 36 and 60, same like that only, there won't be any change. Okay, see First, 36 you have to find the prime factors. Okay. So how you know? So already you know what are the prime factor, what are the prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So this one, every time while you are finding LCM and HCF, you should note down this one in a rough column. Okay. So for your page there will be a rough column. So in that rough column with pencil you have to mention this one, or else with pen, or your wish. Okay. But this should be compulsory. Okay. So here, see children, so 36. So how a 36 will be getting prime factors? Mean, see first you see the ones place digit ma. So here ones place digit is 6. That means it is divisible by 2. Is it right or not? So that means 2 we should take. Okay. With the help of 2 we should multiply. So in the 2 table when 36 will go. So 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 is left over. 1 and 6, 16. Okay, 16 means when 16 will go in 2 table, 2 8 is 16. So 2 18. Okay, next again in the 2 table only, because ones place digit is 8. Okay, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, if the number is divisible by 2, then compulsory you should take in the 2 only. Okay, so if you take 3 also, it will be getting, but there will be some disturbance in this prime numbers. Okay, so here 2 in the 2 table when 18 will go means 2 9s 18. I think so, you know. Next again, so in the 2 table does 9 goes? No. Next, take the next prime number. What is the next prime number? 3. In the 3 table does 9 goes? Yes, it will go. So 3 3 is 9. Okay, again 3. So 3 ones 3. Till if you get 1 means you should stop this finding factors, prime factors. Next 60. For 60 how you should do? So 60 it is divisible by 2 table, because ones place digit is 0. Ones place digit is 0. So that's why, so 2 in the 2 table when it will go? 2 3 6 2 0 0. Okay, 2 into 30 is equals to 60. Next again 30 will go in the 2 table also. Okay, 2 into 15. 15 to 30. If you know 15 table, you can understand. 15 to 30, 2 into 15 also 30 only. Next, does 15 goes in 2 table? No, it will only go in the 2 table. Next, take the next prime number. What is next prime number? 2 after 3 is it. Does 15 goes in 3 table? Yes, it will go. So, 3 5 is 15. Okay, next, again, 5. 5 is a prime number only. 5 ones 5. Okay, till you get to 1, you should stop. Okay, so after getting 1, so here, up till here it is same. Okay, now see children. So here place, here I am doing the work here. Okay, you can do here only. You can do the down only. Okay, so 36. So what are the prime numbers for 36? So see here, prime numbers. So here 2 into 3 into 3, 1 only. 1 only. Okay, 1 is a common factor for every number. 1 is a common factor for every number. Okay, so next 60. For 60, what are the numbers you got? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Is it right, children? So like this you have written. So I think so till here it is same. Is it right? Next. So now what you should take means, see, LCM is equals to, first of all you identify the common prime numbers. So which are there in the two lines, in the two numbers. So which are common, children? So if there are any common numbers, you write only one. Same like a HCF. How you find a HCF? So here 2 and 2 is common. 2 and 2 common, so I am taking 1 2. Okay, next. Again here 2 and 2 common. So I am taking only 1 2. Okay, next. Here 3 and 3 is common. So I am taking only 1 3. Okay, next. So after writing this one, so this is one set. This is one set. You should take common pairs in one set, and still there are some remaining numbers. No, there are some remaining numbers. So 3 is there, 5 is there. 3 is there, 5 is there. So these two numbers you write. These two numbers also you should take. So this is the extra thing. So this one is the extra thing you got in finding LCM. I think so you have identified. You have understood. if you not understood, once you refer back to your pages. Okay, so when you have done the HCF, okay, HCF prime factorization. So in the HCF you have taken only these things. You have taken only common prime factors. But in the LCM you should take the remaining numbers also, remaining extra numbers also you should take, and you should multiply whatever the numbers are there. You should multiply. That means finally you should take all, you should consider all the numbers. So if there are any common pairs, means you should take only one. Again you should not take all. Okay, so this is a process. So that is equals to, now you should do the multiplication. So 2 into 2 4, 4 3s 12, 12 into 3 5s 15, 3 into 5 15. Now 12 into 15, do the multiplication and find out. So what is 12 into 15? So here I am doing 12 into 15. 5 2s 10, 5 1s 5 plus 1 6, 1 2s 2, 1 1s 1, 1 0 0, 6 plus 2 8, 1. So answer is 180. So LCM is 180. So LCM of 36 and 60 is 180. That means in the 36 and 60, a common multiple is, first common multiple is 180. Okay, so 180 will be the smallest common multiple, that is least common multiple. I think so you have understood. Okay, so if you want, whenever you have time, you can write down all these multiples. Okay, so 36 into 1, 36 into 2, 36 into 3. So like that you write down. And next for 60 table also, 61, 62, 63. Okay, when you got time on it. Okay, so in that the first common multiple will be 180. 180 will be in this 36 and in the 60. Okay, like this you should do the prime factorization. I think so you have understood this prime factorization. So if you want to note down, you can pause the video and you can note down. Okay, so next, so this is a prime factorization method. Okay, next there is one more method. Okay, already we have discussed that in the while we are finding HCF, we have discussed the continued division method. But here in this method, how it will be, means this will be somewhat different. Okay, second one, division method. Okay, how this division method will be there. Okay, so we shall say, so in this division method, so here also I am taking the same numbers 36 and 60. Okay, 36 and 60. So we are finding the LCM in the method of division method. Okay, so for the same numbers, so here also if I get 180 means both the methods are correct. Okay, if I get any another number here, instead of 180, if I get any another number, means somewhere I have done the mistake. Okay, either in this division method or in the prime factorization method. So here see children, so for 36 and 60, how you should find the LCM in the division method? In the division method means, see, first 36 and 60 we should write it as this. So here division means, here instead of taking general division, we should take the like a LCM. We should take like a LCM method. Okay, so how that LCM method will be there, means, so 36 and 60. Okay, you should divide, you should do the division for both at a time. Both at a time you should do. So in the prime factorization method we have done single. Okay, only one at a time we have taken. So here in this division method we have to take we have to do the prime factors for both at a time. That is called the division method. Okay, so here compulsory, here whatever the divisors are there, so these numbers will be the divisors. These numbers will be divisors, and these two will be considered as a dividend. Okay, dividend means a middle part. Okay, so middle part will be considered as this one. Okay, and divisor will be considered as these things. Okay, whatever the numbers are writing we are here. Okay, so these are the division method. So in this division method, how we can identify, means, so first take only prime numbers. Okay, only prime number. What is the first prime number? 2. Okay, so whatever the prime number we are taking, so it should be compulsory divisible by two numbers. It should be divisible in the two numbers. Okay, so that means 36 and 60 should divisible by 2. Okay, minimum two numbers. Suppose here instead of two numbers, four numbers will be there. Minimum two numbers should be divisible by this number, this prime number. Then only you should write here. Okay, suppose here 36, 60 and here 95 is there. Okay, 36, 60, 95 is there. So here 36 is divisible by 2, 60 is also divisible by 2. So two numbers are divisible by 2, but third number is not divisible by 2. So maximum two numbers should be divisible by this number. So then only you should take here. Okay, so afterwards, after doing this one, next at the next time you can do for this also. Okay, by taking the for this prime number. Okay, so like that you should do. So here only two numbers are there. Okay, so here 36 and 60. So these two numbers are divisible by 2. So first 2 into 18. 18 to 36. Next 2 into 30. Okay, 18, 30. Okay, next these two numbers are divisible by 2 already. Okay, so again 2 9s, 2 15s. Okay, so 9 comma 15. Now see children, 9 and 15, these two numbers are not divisible by 2. Next take the next prime number 3. So these two numbers are divisible by 3. Yes, so here write down 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15. Okay, here 3 and 5, these two are prime numbers. So up to till how much time we should do this one means these two numbers should have only one as a common factor. Okay, one only should have as a common factor. Okay, these two numbers. Okay, so here 9 and 15, it is having 3 also as a common factor, but here 3 comma 5, this is not a for these numbers we get a one as the only common factor. Okay, that means these two are twin prime numbers. I think so you have learned the twin primes. So 3 comma 5 is a one set of twin primes. Okay, difference should be 2. Okay, difference is equals to 2. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Okay, so 3 comma 5 we got. Okay, now these are the factors. So these factors, what you should do means you should multiply. So LCM is equals to, so what is LCM? So this multiply this one. Okay, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So if you do the multiplication, so 2 into 2 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60, 63 is 180. So 180 is the answer. So here also we got LCM as 180. So in the first method we got 180, and in the division method also we got 180. So what is first method? Prime factorization method. In that one we got 180, and in this also we got 180. So like this we are supposed to do the division method. That only they had given in your textbook. Okay, in the concepts. Okay, like this you should do. So now I think so you have understood this method also. Okay, so there are some steps in your division method. So division method and prime factorization method, if you read means you can understand. Okay, so if you are not understanding means once check this video you can understand. So now we shall go with the with this exercise part. Okay, so I think so you have understood. Okay, exercise 3.5. Okay, in the exercise 3.5, so what is the first bit? Find the LCM of following numbers by prime factorization method. So put the heading exercise 3.5 and write first bit. Okay, find the LCM of following numbers by prime factorization method. Okay, I am not writing the question mark because in your textbook you are having. So exercise 3.5, in my textbook the page number is 41. Page number is 41. Okay, so in your textbook you check mark. Okay, methods of finding LCM. Okay, exercise 3.5. So here in the first bit, so I am explaining the fourth problem. See the fourth problem. What is the fourth problem? Means 18 and 27. 18 and 27. Okay, 18 and 27. Okay, for this problem we have to find the LCM. with the help of prime factorization method. Okay, so already they in the bit name only they given by prime factorization method. That means all these problems you should do in the prime factorization method only. So here first step 18 comma 27. Okay, so please note down children in your classwork also. Okay, don't wait. Okay, so first step. So here first step is question as it is. Next step, do the prime factors for the 18. Okay, first number should be 2 only. Okay, first number should be 2. Okay, so here for 2 in the 2 table, when it will go 2 nines. Next again 3 table, 3 3s 9, again 3 1s 3. Next 27. For 27 it doesn't divides in a 2 table, so we should take the 3 table. In the 3 table 27 will go, so 3 9s 27. Next 3 3s 9, next 3 1s 3. Okay, we have completed. So next so here 18 is equals to, so for 18 what are the prime factors? 2 into 3 into 3. Next for 27 what are the prime factors? 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so now LCM. What is the LCM? Here I am doing LCM. So here place is not there, that's why I am doing here. So you do down only. Okay, so LCM is equals to, so what are the common pairs? So 3 is a common pair, so write down 3 into, again one more 3 is a common pair, so write down 1 3. Next so 3 into 3, this is one set, into next 2 into 3, so write down 2 into 3. Okay, so 3 into 3 9, into 2 into 3 6, so 9 6 54. So LCM is 54. Okay, so this is a 54. So in the 18 table and 27 table, the least common multiple is 54. So in the multiples of 18 and 27, the first smallest common multiple is 54. If you want, you can check the multiplication table of 18 and 27 also. The first number, the first common number will be 54 only. Okay, like this you are supposed to do the problem. Okay, next sixth one. You see the sixth one now. Okay, sixth one is somewhat difficult, is it? Okay, so I think so. Please note down this one, children. Please pause your video and note down. Okay, next. Sixth one. In the first bit only sixth one. What is sixth one? 26, comma 14 and 91. 26, 14 and 91. You see the sixth one now. Okay. So solution. Here also same. With the help of prime factorization method. So first step as it is 26, 14 and 91. Okay. So first step as it is. Next step 26. Prime factors for 26. So 2 ones 2 13. In the 13 table it will go. So 2 into 13. In 2 table 2 into 13 is equals to 26. Next 13 is on the prime number. So 2 5 7 11. 11 after 13 will be there. So 13 as it is. 13 ones. Okay. Next 14. So in 14 in which table it will go? So first 2 table. Okay. So 2 7s 14. 7 is a prime number. So 7 ones. Next 91. 91 does it goes in a 2 table? No, it doesn't go. In 3 table, it doesn't go. Next 5 table, in 3 table means 9 plus 1 10. So 10 is not divisible in a 3 table. So next 5 table it doesn't go. So one's place should be either 5 or 0. Next 7 table. So in the 7 table 91 will go. So when it will go means see 7 1 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 1 21. 7 3 is 21. Okay. So 13 means 13 on the prime number. So 13 ones. So now we have done the prime factors for these numbers. So first 26. So for 26 what are the prime factors? 2 into 13. Next for 14 2 into 7. Next for 91 7 into 13. 7 into 13. So first write down. So LCM LCM. Okay. So what is LCM? So first, is there any common numbers in the three numbers? So 2 is common in this two, but 2 is not there here. So 13 is common in this two, but 13 is not there here. 7 is common in this two, so 7 is not there in this three. So we have to multiply all these numbers. So what are the numbers? So here before that one 2 power 0. Okay. Okay. So 2 into 2 into next 7 into 7 into next 13 into 13. Okay. So all the 6 numbers you should multiply because there is no common prime factor. So first 2 into 2 4, 7 into 7 49. Next 13 into 13, 13 into 13 is 169. If you multiply, you will get 169. Okay. So 4 into 49 into 169. What is the multiplication? So you do, children, 4 into 49 into 169. Okay. If you do this one means you will get it. So what you will get means, see, just a minute. So here how you should do, see children, LCM, see children, LCM is equals to, so here see children, here here twos are two are there, 13 is 2 are there, 7 is 2 are there. So from this what you should take, 2 into 13 into 7. 2 into 13 into 7, only one number you should take. Okay, common order. So in the two numbers common order, so in the two numbers common means you should take only one. Okay, in the two numbers common means you should take only one. Okay, so if there are any three common numbers means you should take that one. In the two numbers also common means you should take only one. Okay, so 2 into 13 into 7. So here 7 to is 14. 14 into 13. So 14 into 13. So 14 into 13 is equals to 182. So see children, 14 into 13. 3 4s 12. 3 1 3 plus 1 4. Okay. 3 4s 12. 3 1 3 plus 1 4. Next 1 4s 4. 1 1s 1. So 2 4 4 8 1. So 182. So 182 is the LCM of 26, 14 and 91. So the first common smallest common multiple in the 26, 14 and 91 is 182. Okay, so like this you should do the first bit. Okay, so I think so you have understood. So the second bit is finding the LCM in the division method. In the division method you should able to do the LCM. Okay, we shall see. So how to do in the division method. Okay. Second bit. In the second bit, I am explaining the first one. See the first one, children. 82, comma 112 and 196. 196. So this bit, second bit, you should do in the in the continued division method. So in the in the division method only, in the division method. So how to do? So just now we have explained how we have done the division method. So first step as it is 82, 112 and 196. So first what we should do? We should write three numbers 112, comma 196. 3 at a time you should do the LCM. 3 at a time you should do the prime factors. Okay. So here three numbers. So three numbers commonly they will go in the two table. Is it right? Because first ones place digit is 2, ones place digit is 2, ones place digit is 6. So first do with the two table. Okay. So in two table when it will go? 2 4s 8, 2 1s 2. Next 2 5s 10, 2 5s 10, 11 minus 10 is 1, 1 2, 2 6 12. Okay. Next 2 9s 18, 1 is left over, 1 6. Okay. So 1 6 means 2 8 16. Next 41 56 98. So 56 and 98 these two will go in the two table. So maximum two numbers are going in the two table. So that's why you take two table again. So 41 leave like that only. Okay. 41. Next 2 2 4 1 is left over, 2 8 16. Next 2 4s 8, 1 is left over, 2 9s 18. Next 41 28 49. Okay. So 49 it is divisible by 7. 28 is also divisible by 7. Is it right? 7 4s 28, 7 7s 49. So here again take 7 table. So 41. Next 7 4s 28, 7 7s 49. Next 41. Is 41 a prime number, children, or not? If 41 is prime number, then you should leave like that only. You should leave that number like that only. So here this is a step. Next still any? So 4 is there. So 4 means 2 in the two table. So 41, 2 2s 4, 7. Okay. So these are the factors. These are the prime factors. Now how you have to write the LCM? LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into, just multiply all these numbers. Multiply these last numbers. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2 into. So first I am writing 2. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into. Next 2 after 7 is there. So 7 into 7. 7 into 7. Next 41. 41. So multiply all these things. So 2 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 16 into 7 7s 49 into 41. So if you multiply this number, you will get the, what is the LCM of these three numbers. You will get the LCM of these three numbers. Okay. And what is the see, we have to do. Okay, compulsory we have to do. Okay. So first 16 into 41. So here roughly I am doing, children. So rough work. You keep rough work and in your rough column you do. Okay. So first 49 into 16. So 49 into 16. What is the 49 into 16? So 9 6 54, 5 6 4 24, 25 26 27 28 29. 29. Next 1 9 9, 1 4 4. Okay, 4 9 9 18, 4 5 6 7, 784. So 784 into 41. So here 16 into 49 is a 784. 784 into 41. Okay, 1 4 4, 1 8 8, 1 7 7 into 4 4 16, 4 8 32 plus 1 33. Next 4 7s 28, 29 30 31. 31. Okay. So see, children, what will be the answer? Just 4 4 16, 4 8 32, 4 16 1, 4 8 32 1 33. Next 4 7 20 31. Okay. What will be the answer? Is equals to 4. Next 8 plus 6 14. 84, sorry. Actually, sorry children, here actually 84 is it, so not 82, 84 is it. Please check the mistake. Okay. So 84 112, 84 112, 196. Okay. So for this numbers, so two table. Okay. 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. Next 2 5 is 10. Next 2 6 is 12. 2 9 is 18. 1 2 8 is 16. Next 42. 2 this 3 will be going in the 2 table only. Okay. 2 2 is 4. 2 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. Next 56. 56 means 2 4 2 2 is 4. 2 8 is 16. Next 2 4 is 8. 1 2 9 is 18. So 21, 28, 27. These three numbers will go in the 7 table. Okay. 7. Directly take 7. Okay. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. 7 7 is 49. So 3 4 7. Again, if you want to, you can change this 4 into prime number. So 2 3 2 2 is 4 7. Okay. Now multiply all these numbers. Okay. So actually this is not a correct method, children. Okay. Very sorry. See children, first twos, how many are there? 1 2 3 4. So 4 twos are there as it is. Next into, next 3, only 1 3 is there. Into, next 7s, 1 2, 2 are there. Okay. 7 into 7. Okay. So this is, if you multiply all these numbers, you will get. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. 16 into 3 into 7 7 is 49. Okay. 63 is 48 into 49. Okay. 48 into 49. What is 48 into 49? Okay. In the rough column you do 48 into 49. Okay. 9 8 72, 7. 9 4 36. 37 39 44 42 43 3 4. Next into 4 8 32 2 3. Okay. 4 4 16. 4 4 16. 4 4 16. 17 18 19. So 19. Okay. Multiply this one. So 2 add this 2. So 2 3 9 8 72 7 9 4 36 37 39 9 4 36 37 39 40 40 40 43 43. Next 4 8 32 3. Okay. 48 into 49. So just to check children, what is 48 into 49? There is some 16 3 is 48 into 49. So here I am doing very clearly 48 into 49. Okay. 9 8 72 7. Next 9 4s. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 7. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 40, 43. So 43. So with 9 completed. Next 4. 4 8 32. 2, 3. Next 4 4s. 4 4s 16. 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. Next. So here write down answer. So here what is it? 2, 3, 2, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2. 2, 3, 5, 2 you are getting. So you are getting 2, 3, 5, 2. Is 2, 3, 5, 2. 4704. Why 4704 given? Okay. So please note down children. 2, 3, 5, 2. Okay. 2 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 16 3 is 48. 7 7 is 49. So 48 into 49. Should we take any common number? 84. 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4. 2 5 is 10. 1 2 6 12. 2 9 is 18. 1 2 8 16. 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. 1 16. 2 4 is 8. 1 2 9 is 18. 7 3 is 7 4 is 28. 7 7 is 49. 2 2 2s 4 7, 2 2 4 4 2 8 8 2 16, 16 3 48, 48 into 49, 2 3 5 2. So if you check 48 into 49, this will be the answer 2352. Okay. So in your answers he has given some 4704. So once check children. So if at all if it is correct means I will say to you. Okay. I will remind to you in the next class. Okay. So in the next class maybe I will say to you what is the correct answer. So we got 48 into 49 as 2352. So this is the LCM for 84, 112 and 196. Okay. So this is like this you are supposed to do. So only one thing children. So do the LCM for all the numbers at a time. So in the first method we have taken only one number. So for 84 one time, for 112 one time, for 196 one time. But in this method you should take all the three numbers at a time and you should do the common prime factors. Okay. So like that you should do. Okay. So this is what you are supposed to do. This problem children. So in the next class we shall do some more exercise problems children. So today I will give you some problems in this method children. So try to do very easily. Okay. I hope you will be understanding very easily. Okay. Okay. So in the first bit, so find LCM by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method by prime factorization method. So in the prime factorization method you should do. Okay, like first bit. Okay. So in your textbook some problems are there. I am giving to you as a homework. So 12 and 15. Second one. 14 and 21. Next. Third one. 48, 56 and 72. Okay. These three problems homework children. Second bit. Find LCM by division method. Okay. So in this first one, what is the first one means? 102, 119. Next 153. Second one. 21, 35 and 21, 35 and 42. Next, third one is 18, 24 and 56. Okay. So 18, 24 and 56. So find LCM in this second method. Okay. So these three problems and these three problems do in the homework book man. Okay. So in your textbook whatever the remaining problems. So in the first bit second problem is remaining. Second problem, fourth problem and sixth problem. Second problem, fourth problem and sixth problem you do in the classwork children. And in the second bit first problem and third problem you do in the classwork. And in the second problem I have given as a homework. Okay. So second problem this one. Okay. So these three problems should do in the homework book. Okay. So these problems should do in the homework, and remaining whatever I said in the classwork, those problems, and remaining problems in first and second bit you do in the classwork book. Okay. So I hope so you will be doing these problems very easily children. So thank you for attending my classes. In the next class we shall complete this exercise, this chapter, this full chapter we shall complete, and in the next class we shall see the relation between LCM and HCF also. So how LCM and HCF are related with each other. Okay, that one also we shall see in the next class only, and we shall complete the class. We shall complete this third chapter. Okay, so thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.